Okay, so I'm just going to quickly show you how to change the images on the header part of the JA Purity template. And right now, as you can see, there's about a few images that come up on the header area up here. And if you just go to another page, another one might come up also. It's pretty random. So I'll just click on this link. Okay, so now you see another image that has come up. So we just want to find out where those images are and the dimension of that image and replace them with our own images. So I'm in Firefox and I'm going to use Firebug to find out where these images are located. So go up to Firebug. If you haven't installed that, you might want to do that. It's an add-on for Firefox browser. So click Firebug. And we're just going to try to find the header text code here. Okay, so now the header has lit up over this code. So we're going to dig deeper. Okay, so now we see that there is a folder under the templates and JA Purity images and header folder. And that's header 3 JPEG that has shown up. So we're just going to go into our server and find out the dimensions of this image. So now we're going to go back to our server in our FTP client and find out the dimensions of the image. So I'm in FileZilla, and I've already gone to install 5, the folder that I have the website on. And I'm just going to find the folder that the images are located. Okay, so I've gone into the path that was mentioned in Firebug to go to templates, JA Purity, images, and header. And we have 3 header JPEG images. So we're just going to download these images to find out the exact size that we need to make our images. So I made a folder called header in my own install 5 folder in my computer. I'm going to go into that. And I've already created my own header images, but I'm going to create another folder for the original ones. And open that folder, and we're going to download them to that folder. Okay, so let's go into our header folder and go to the originals and hover to find the dimensions. So that's 600 by 80. So they're all 600 by 80. So we're going to make sure that our images are going to be the same. Let's go back up. And mine's are 600 by 80 already. And I pretty much just cropped the same beach ocean image in 5 different places. So I have 5 instead of 3 header images that I'm going to be putting up onto the site. So let's go back to our FTP client. And let's get our images up. First, we're going to have to disable these images first. So actually, since we've already downloaded them, we don't really need to disable them. We can just delete them at this point. But if you want to just disable them, you can just go to the name of the file and click .old. Excuse me, type in .old. And now they won't be read as JPEG images anymore. But to stay on the safe side, I would still download these images and erase them from the server, just to make sure that these are never pulled up again if you don't want them pulled up. So I'll just download these and delete. Click delete. Yes. And now let's upload ours. Okay, so now we have our headers up there. And let's go back to our site and click refresh. I'll do that again. Okay, so now we have one of my images, our new images up there. And let's go back to the home page and click refresh. And there's another one. So that's how you can change the images on the JA Purity template on the header. Okay, well that's the end of this tutorial, and I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.